kajing ai Mynsiem ya ki Samla ki badon ya kajing thrang bon kieu ha kajing Ïalehkai mixed martial arts lani MMA we na ki no Ïalehkai UFC bapau kari India u Anshul Jubli ha khat nyau trik kolalin kot araja apun riu ulawan yu kejat biang hanong ba Shillong kajing wan jong ni uno ya kura kadai kasien ke balai hak bau lay kundu bat ban ya kran bat ki no Ïalehkai MMA ki bana ka jalla haba ajing kran ula ai Mynsiem ya ki Samla ki bai sim banta ha kadai kajing Ïalehkai ban don ka Thong bat ru ban pen le jing mut bha kum no ban poi sha ka Thong da ka ba pen don kam ya ka boj ka bor ha ka ru kom Ïalehkai Naloru Anshul Jubli lay don laru u Johnny Nongrum uwe na ki no Ïalehkai MMA jong ka jalla lam upunia u no Ïalehkai MMA jong ka jalla Assam.
I'm just a product of lots of people who worked hard, like my coach Siddharth saying, the whole team. Johnny, he is my super senior, not senior, super senior. He's very inspiring. The first time I came to Shillong, it was 2018 for a fight which did not happen in Shillong Fighting Championship because my opponent, he didn't show up. But it was a Johnny Bhai show. It was his main event. He knocked the guy out, and the whole stadium, the crowd went crazy. So and that time I was like, I want that. He inspired me that day. So I was like, I want to inspire like he inspired me. I want to inspire the youth, and I'm trying my best. I've learned a lot of things from Punya. He's my dear friend, my brother, and who's continuously inspiring me. And yes, I am very proud to be here. You guys are amazing, one of the best people. You guys are Pahadi. Shillong is in the Pahad, so I'm from a Pahadi. So we share the similar reality. We are very real people. So I hope I can give you guys a bit of back what you guys are giving me, all this love, all this support, and all the respect. And thank you so much. I'll keep coming. And I've seen yesterday at the seminar, I've met some of the most amazing athletes at the gym, and I saw the future. The future is very bright of Shillong and Shillong MMA. The whole Northeast MMA is gonna boom up, and I want to be the part of that. With Shillong, the first time I came here in 2018 when I started MMA. So, and the Iba and Amit, the family. So I share this special bond. Whenever they invite me here, I'm ready to come because it's feel like home. They host me very well. I like to meet the athletes and everything. So that's the reason I think I share a special bond with Shillong and the whole community with Johnny Bhai and with everyone. So that's the reason whenever you guys will call me, I'll come here. I started MMA as a hobby or to get some certificates, some medals, so I can show that in my interview for the army. I wanted to be in the army. So then I fell in love with the sport, and now the rest is history. I think this is who I am. This sport is who I am. I love the sport. I love the techniques, the science, and the fighting spirit, everything. So the day I first came to the MMA gym, it becomes my sport, and that's how I started. I wanted to be in the army. That's why I joined the MMA.
What is the problem you face?
In MMA, it's a very challenging sport. It's a very tough sport. You're hit by your partner, your friend, your training partner every day. So it's a tough sport. You face challenges every day, but this sport teaches you to deal with the challenges because it's going to be at your face every day. The punches you're going to feel every day at your face. So you have to learn how to deal with it. So yeah, challenges are okay, but we know how to deal with it. I can't suggest anything. I don't think I'm at that position where I suggest or advise something, but I still think Shillong, even the whole Northeast, has so much potential in this sport, because here the boys and girls are very athletic, they're very explosive, they can hit you hard, hit you fast. If I have to suggest something, I would say yes, maybe you guys should hire a coach from the place where people are not that athletic, where they focus more on techniques and everything, and athletes here will be the full package.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.